guys, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the Amazon Echo Show. We are going to unbox this. I'm excited because we just received this today. And like our Spot we unboxed earlier, we are going to take a look at the show. So let's get cracking. It's nice they made this so that I don't have to use any scissors to open it. I'm going to open it up, and here we go. The Echo Show. Now we got this in black. They do offer it in white as well. But just look at this. This looks like a nice fresh tablet. I'm going to take it out now. And also in the box, let me move this out of the way fast, you get your AC adapter so you can plug it in. I'm going to plug that in shortly. Your things to try card and your instruction manual as well. So let me move this out of the way. So we're going to plug this in now that we have all the packaging off. And good size look at this. It's a lot bigger than the Spot. It's here's the size of my hand. Here's the show, and it's pretty thick. And it's like a pentagon-ish shape. So we're going to plug this in. Turns on immediately. I love it already. Just looks so clean.
Hello, your Amazon Echo Show is ready for setup.
Alright, so much like your Spot, you're going to go through your language selections. I'm going to pick English United States. And it's going to have you connect to your Wi-Fi. So I'm going to connect to the Wi-Fi. Then you sign into your Amazon account. Let me do that real fast. I would like to point out the screen is extremely responsive and quick. Alright, so once you log in, you're going to, it will be registered to your Amazon account. So you click continue. You then pick your time zone, and so we're Eastern Daylight Time, and we do have an update, so we're going to do an update real fast.
Updating your Echo Show.
Alright, so it is done updating. I would like to point out that it did take a lot longer than I thought it would. It was about 10 minutes or so just waiting for it to update, which it did, and turn on and off twice. So here's the introductory video for your Spot and show devices.
Introducing Amazon Echo Show. It's everything you love about Alexa, but now she can show you things. Play movies from Amazon Video, view your photos, or see what's on your calendar and to-do lists. And now there's a new way to be together. Make hands-free video calls to friends and family, like this. Alexa, call Tina. Echo Show fills the room with bold stereo sound. Alexa, show today's most popular songs.
Here are popular songs.
Alexa, play number 2. Alexa is always getting smarter. To get a list of things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say?
This device is ready.
Clearly. So after you're done with your update, if you have one, or watched your video, here is the screen. Alexa, go to settings.
Here's settings.
Now within settings you can change your Wi-Fi, your home screen, display sounds, turn on Do Not Disturb, see your device's options, restrict access, see the things to try, help, accessibility, and legal compliance. There are a lot to do on here for you to customize and everything like that. So we're going to pick our theme for our background. So you can pick a photo, or a light background with dark text, or a dark background with light text. So which one are we thinking? We're going to pick the dark background with light text. Oh, wrong one. Dark background with light text. So with the one we had very similar to before. You can also have different brightnesses, the ambient clock, and adaptive brightness, like I just said. So, compared to the spot, this does have a little less customization, but you do have the nice speakers, the Dolby speakers, down at the bottom. So let me find a video for us to watch and let us see how good the screen quality is. Alright, so Alexa, show me my watch list. Alexa, show me my watch list.
Here is your watch list.
So as you can see, I have a lot of stuff from my Amazon Prime Video selection. So let's find a video and we can show you what the screen looks like. We're going to watch The Stinky and Dirty Show. Find a movie trailer to show you so you can also see how clear the screen is, once again without sound. Alexa, show me the movie trailer to Sorry to Bother You. So I hope you noticed with that was a very clear and great picture. I'm actually pretty amazed by it. Now what also makes this different from the Spot is the speaker section down below. These are Dolby speakers and they basically make this better than a tablet. The sound quality is truly amazing. Alexa, play some royalty-free music.
Shuffling songs by Royalty Free Music Club.
Now on the top of the show, you have your buttons. You have the plus and minus to adjust your volume, and then the no microphone, so you won't be able to say anything to Alexa, and Alexa will not be able to hear you. So let me turn it up. As you can see, the sound is pretty good. It's pretty wonderful. So I'm going to turn this down. Alexa, go home. So with oh, Alexa, stop. So with Alexa, you do get things you can try with her. So I can ask her what the news, weather, and traffic, alarms and timers, my calendar, which I think that's a great feature, shows, podcasts, and radio, lists, so to-do or shopping lists. You can shop on Amazon and you can communicate. You can also use Prime Music, use music from Spotify or Pandora. You can discover music as well. You can listen to audiobooks as well. You can use it as a smart home where you can see who's at your front door. You can also see your movie times, sports, and local information, and you can use anything, anytime. So let's see what the weather's like. Alexa, what's the weather?
In Woodbridge, it's 77 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can look for clouds with a low of 70 degrees.
So she gave us our weather, and it comes up big and bright on our screen with a forecast ahead. The Spot does that as well, so you don't miss anything out with that. But this is a nice large screen to depict your weather, and if you want to see it too, it tells you more information as you go along as well. So you can set various timers too. The new thing with this and the Spot is you're able to call anyone with an Alexa app or with an Alexa device that has a camera. So if you have another device in your home that has a camera with Alexa attached to it as well, you call them, or if another family member miles away has one as well, you can call them too. So let's Alexa, what can I say?
You can say, play my messages, play ocean sounds, or make an announcement, and many more.
Now, as you can see, she lists a bunch of things you can say, and there's a lot. Each update in each week, there's just about numerous things that she can do now that she didn't used to be able to weeks or previously. So Alexa, tell me a joke. Alexa, tell me a joke.
What did the candy bar say to his therapist? Sometimes I feel like a nut. Sometimes I don't.
Now you can see when you do ask her a question, you do get a nice screen that goes with it. Unlike your regular Echo device, you just have her light up. You actually have a picture to go along with it as well. Alexa, who was Thomas Jefferson?
Thomas Jefferson was an American founding father who was the principal author of the Declaration of Independence and later served as the third president of the United States from 1801 to 1809.
Very informative. Great for if you have a small, simple question to ask. You can also ask her where your stuff is when it comes to packages you've ordered. So, Alexa, where's my stuff?
Here are your shipments. A shipment for an order placed yesterday has already been delivered.
As you can see, that was the shipment for her right here. And it does tell you on your screen the shipment status when it was shipped and when it is out for delivery. Notifications do come on throughout the day or throughout the week when you do have a shipment coming. She will let you know. And having a screen makes it a lot better too. Alright guys, that's a look at the Echo Show. There are so many more things I could say, but I can't wait to continue trying it out and finding a lot more about it. Check the description section below for more information, and thanks for watching.